Hi guys, let's take a look at beginner forearm grips. Your points of contact will be the outside of the forearm or the inside of the forearm. Here's what they should look like. Outside forearm grips help you push away from the pole. This grip is often used for climbing and for both upright and inverted moves where distance from the pole is needed. Inside forearm grips help you pull into the pole, using your bicep to control the hold. Here are some tips to get the most out of this grip. When using an inside forearm grip, be sure to make contact into the elbow pit first to make this grip feel secure. Don't just place the forearm on the pole. Don't twist the arm around. Your arm placement is correct if you can let go with the fingers and you still have a bit of contact to pull into the pole with. When using an outside forearm grip, be sure to make full contact with the forearm. Don't place the pole on one side or the other. It should be secure enough to push into the pole without needing to grip with the hands.